Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about the unlinked code that you should consider if you are a movie fan, or what unlinked code is best for those who are movie fans. So obviously what we are referring to is that if you're a movie fan and you love watching movies on Android TV, definitely you need applications to watch movies on your Android TV. So which unlinked code is going to provide you with exactly what you're looking for and the best quality of them. So there are a couple of unlinked codes, and all of these unlinked codes have their own applications or categories of application. But in this video, I just want to show you one of these unlinked codes, which for me I consider as the best for anyone who is a movie fan. So what I would recommend is watch the video right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, please do well to encourage the channel by liking, subscribing, or sharing, so that we will be able to create more videos like this. That's it, let's get started. Now I just want to reiterate that what I am showing here is going to work on any Android TV, Android TV box, or Google TV, and also it might also work on a Fire Stick device, even though the tutorial is based just on Android TV. And I'm using my Android TV box to do this. As you can see, I am using a cursor. My Android TV allows me to use a remote, a USB to control or navigate the Android TV, even though I could also use my remote, but the remote is slower compared to my mouse. So anyone you use to navigate your Android TV is good for you. But anyway, let's get straight to work. Now for us to type in an unlinked library, we need the unlinked application. If you already have the unlinked application, then you can fast forward this video to where I'll be talking about the code. But if you don't have the unlinked application and you're watching this video for your very first time, then let me quickly show you how to install Unlinked to your Android TV. It is not a complicated process, but you need another application, which is the download application. Now go over to your browser on your Android TV. Any browser should work. So go over to any browser that you have, and this is mine. I'm using the Google browser. So go to your browser on the search box. You're going to type in the download application. So for instance, this is what I'm talking about. Type in downloader. If you don't want to waste time, you might get a solution. But if you don't get a solution, type in all what you need to do. So download application, here's it, and you're going to bring it over here where you have the Google Play web version. Now if this is your first time, you are going to be asked to log into your Google account using your Gmail and your Google password. So you just quickly do that and it brings you here. So you click on install, and the download application is going to install to Android TV. It is definitely going to install, just ignore all the interfaces that show that it is for mobile phones only. So we need the downloader because we need to use it to install the online application to our Android TV. So once it's installed, you can close this and then go back and you're going to see downloader. So on your download application, you can go ahead now and type in the code to install Unlinked application, and the code is 10381. So to type in the code, come over to this box over here. Please type in exactly what you see me do, 10381. This is the code. Once you type in that code, you go ahead and launch. What this code does is that it's going to redirect us to the place to download the APK for the Unlinked application. Once the APK has been downloaded, it is then going to be installed to our Android TV and we can use it. So just follow attentively as I'm doing this. So this is it. All we need to do now is to click on install, and the application is going to install to our Android TV. So let's give it a couple of seconds. That's how it went. So this is the application that we're looking for, Unlinked. So click done open exactly, click that file, and then you can return home and you find the application has been installed right here. So this is the Unlinked application. So what we need to do now is to go ahead and launch the Unlinked application, and this is how to launch it. This is how it's going to look like once you launch it for the very first time. Of course, on your apps, on some Android TVs, you will need to grant permission or to install applications from unknown sources. So that depends on your Android TV. Mine already has that permission to do that. You might need to go back to your Android TV settings and check how to grant permission to your Unlinked application before you go ahead and start adding a library. And also, before we go ahead to this library, I just want to make you understand that there are different libraries. This is not the only library. As a matter of fact, I created a video with 7 different Unlinked libraries that you might want to check out on your Android TV. But this video is just centered on one out of those 7. If you want the 7 different libraries, just go back to my YouTube channel and search top 7 Unlinked codes for Android TV. You are going to see the video, or else I'm going to try to add the video at the top of my screen right now if I'm able to do that. But anyway, let's get started. So the first Unlinked library that we need to type in, or the Unlinked library that I would prefer if I was a movie fan. Of course, I'm a movie fan. So the Unlinked library that I prefer as a movie fan is the Unlinked library I use a lot, which is everything. So what you do is go over here and type in everything, and please, I'm going to give you some basic information here that you need to be careful. The reason is because I've given this code to people and they tell me that the code doesn't work, and this is why the code might not work for you. If you use a suggestion like this is not what I just typed. These are 2 words. This also is not what I just typed. This has an S and an this, and also this is not what I just typed. This is everything, not everything. So what you're supposed to type is one word. There is no space, there is no gap. You can either type it in upper cases or lower cases, but make sure that there is no gap or anything. So it is everything. So once you type in everything, they can go ahead and launch. Once you launch the application, or once you launch the library, it's going to bring you over here, and then you are going to enter. So this library is designed primarily for Android TVs, and the applications are always up to date, or they are always updated. So once you're here as a movie fan, let me tell you the categories to go to. But before that, the reason I'm blurring this is because as a YouTube creator, there is not that I'm not allowed to show everything in my YouTube channel, else my video might be taken down. So that's why I'm blurring this. But if you follow attentively what I'm saying and you go over here, you'll go exactly to where you need to go. So as a movie fan, just browse down. There are different categories. I think there are about 15 or 16 categories. I don't know. Yes, the categories are actually added. There are 18 of them. So that's one thing I love about this code. The creator of it keeps updating it. So to go to movies, if you're a movie fan, just go to category number 5. I are going to see I think there are over 40 applications here. There are over 40 different applications here that you are going to find helpful as a movie lover. So go back to it, category number 5. I are going to see application 31 where you are going to find helpful as a movie lover. So for me, this is the Unlinked code that I can consider the best for movies, or the best for movie lovers. So if you found the video helpful, or you watched right up to the end, please make sure to like, subscribe and share. And also if there's any issue, let me know in the comment section. If you don't know how to install an application from here, just choose any application that you want, click on it. There's going to be a download button, click on the download button, and then you'll be able to install the application to your Android TV.